I can't believe that I finally got my hands on the Moonstruck Crystal Tarot cards here on TikTok. The owner's name is Kara, and she's very sweet, and she's also a very amazing artist with a lot of attention to detail. Every single detail she has hand drawn and everything, and even like put all the attention to detail into the box alone, like the gold shift and the foils. It's just absolutely stunning and perfect. And that's just the box alone. I can't wait to see how the cards look in person. I have been eyeing this deck for over 2 years now at this point, ever since she put them on her TikTok shop. I've been wanting to get my hands on them, but I haven't been able to. So I'm really excited to open this with you guys and actually see them in person for the first time. So the cards that I got are the tarot cards in gold. They have both gold and silver for your choosing of preference. And she also has 3 different card decks. She has the tarot cards, the oracle, and then the oracle portal cards, which I plan on getting soon. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and open it for the first time. Look at the detailing. I love how the box is, like the gold, the moon, and it says thank you inside. And there's a bunch of confetti. And I always like it when they have little goodie bags in here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. And here we have a sticker, which is really gorgeous. And we also have her business card, which also shifts. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Rainbow shift. But that's her business card. And this is the crystal that came in the box. It's the amethyst moon, which is great for intuition. So I really love that. And amethyst is also my birthstone. So that's really cool. Oh wow. Even this has like a rainbow shift. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gold foil with the rainbow shift. The sides. And this tarot deck. And this is the back. It says to combine the intuitive wisdom of tarot with the energetic and healing properties of crystals with Crystal Struck Tarot. This hand-illustrated 78 card deck uses a traditional tarot format. Each card is printed with holographic gold foil along with a vibrant holographic star-struck edge. This deck is ideal for beginners learning to read tarot, as well as advanced readers looking to add crystals properties to the readings. And at the bottom it says that the art is made by Kara. Everything is hand-drawn, and she has put all this attention to detail with the foils and the gold shifts and everything, which I love. So let's go ahead and open it. There's literally like details everywhere. It's gorgeous. So all of her decks come with a guidebook to assist you. Alright, so this is the top of the cards. Once again, everything is hand-drawn and gorgeous. I love every single detail of this. And then the sides have little, yeah, there it is. Okay. And the sides, oh my god. There's like rainbow hologram on top of the gold foil. It's gorgeous. I love it. I almost don't want to shuffle this with how gorgeous it is. It's stunning. And then this is the inside of the cards. This one is the Argonite card. Absolutely gorgeous detail. Here's the Magician. This one's the High Priestess, which is the pink amethyst. It's gorgeous. All the details are just beautiful. And this one's the Empress, which is moonstone. The Emperor's ruby. It's gorgeous. I love anything moons, and this has like the rose quartz surrounding the moons. Stunning. Look at the outline. I'm just really excited to connect with the cards. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys run, don't walk. I will leave the orange shopping cart below. You guys should definitely go buy from her immediately. This is stunning. Go follow her and support her. And I will leave the orange cart below. And like I said, she has 3 different decks. There's the tarot cards that I have in gold. There's the oracle cards. And then there's the oracle portal cards. And they come in both gold and silver. Like I said, you want to run to that shopping cart immediately. And just remember that the magic is in you.